Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use WhatsApp channel admin profile feature. So let's get straight into the video. Simply go ahead and open your WhatsApp application and go to the Updates tab on the left-hand side of your screen. This is where you can actually go ahead and create a channel. So let me just go ahead and create a channel for now. So it could be a random name. Click on Create Channel. You can simply go ahead and select to add people if you want to, but I don't need to really. Now you can simply tap on the channel name on the top right over here. Once you've done that, here you can simply go ahead and invite people. You can also go ahead and invite admins if you want to, and you can also go ahead and search and select the contact you wish to invite. You can also customize the invitation messages if desired, and you can also go ahead and dismiss an admin if you want to, or even kick out people. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.